Welcome back to Yekne. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic that many of you have requested: how to stop dogs' aggressive behavior. Aggression in dogs can be challenging, but don't worry. We've got 10 effective strategies to share with you. And stick around till the end because I'll be sharing my personal experience on how I successfully stopped my own dog's aggressive behavior. Let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is consulting a professional. When dealing with aggression, it's essential to seek guidance from a certified dog trainer or behaviorist. They have the expertise to assess your dog's behavior accurately and provide personalized training techniques tailored to your dog's needs. I personally consulted a professional when my dog was showing signs of aggression towards strangers, and their expertise made all the difference in understanding the underlying causes and implementing the right training methods. Consulting a professional dog trainer or behaviorist is crucial when dealing with aggression in dogs. These experts have the knowledge and experience to assess your dog's behavior accurately and provide personalized guidance. They will analyze the root causes of aggression, whether it's fear-based, territorial, possessive, or something else. A professional will develop a tailored training plan to address your dog's specific needs. They can teach you techniques to modify your dog's behavior and help you understand how to communicate effectively with your pet. With their expertise, you can navigate the process of stopping aggressive behavior more effectively and ensure the safety and well-being of everyone involved. One technique that worked wonders for my dog was desensitization and counter-conditioning. We gradually exposed my dog to situations that triggered aggression while ensuring he remained calm and comfortable. By associating positive experiences such as treats and praise with these triggers, we were able to change his emotional response. Over time, he learned to associate those triggers with positive feelings instead of aggression. Desensitization and counter-conditioning are powerful behavior modification techniques used to address aggression in dogs. Desensitization involves gradually exposing your dog to the triggers that elicit aggression, starting with a very low-intensity version of the trigger and gradually increasing it over time. This exposure is done in a controlled and positive manner, ensuring that your dog remains calm and comfortable throughout the process. Counter-conditioning involves changing your dog's emotional response to the trigger by associating it with something positive, such as treats, praise, or play. By repeatedly pairing the trigger with positive experiences, your dog learns to associate the trigger with positive feelings instead of aggression. Over time, this can help reduce or eliminate the aggressive response altogether. And let me tell you, the progress we made through positive reinforcement was incredible. Consistency and positive reinforcement go hand in hand. It's important to reward your dog's non-aggressive behavior using treats, toys, or verbal praise. By doing so, you create a positive association and reinforce good behavior. Trust me, it's amazing how our dogs respond when they feel appreciated and loved. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool for shaping a dog's behavior, including reducing aggression. By rewarding desired behaviors such as calmness, obedience, and non-aggression, you create positive associations for your dog. This can be done through verbal praise, treats, toys, or other rewards that motivate your dog. When your dog exhibits non-aggressive behavior, promptly praise and reward them to reinforce the positive action. Consistency is crucial, as dogs learn through repetition and consistency. Over time, your dog will start to understand that calm and non-aggressive behavior is beneficial and leads to positive outcomes. Dogs thrive on routine and predictability, so establishing consistent rules and boundaries is essential when addressing aggression. Create a daily routine that includes regular feeding times, exercise, and training sessions. Consistency in expectations and responses helps your dog understand what is expected of them and reduces confusion or frustration that may trigger aggression. Everyone in the household should be on the same page regarding rules and boundaries, using consistent commands and responses. When your dog sees a predictable and stable environment, it helps them feel secure and less likely to exhibit aggressive behavior. Physical and mental stimulation are also key factors in curbing aggression. Regular exercise helps burn off excess energy and reduces frustration, which can contribute to aggressive behavior. I found that engaging my dog in activities he enjoyed, like long walks and interactive play sessions, significantly helped him stay calm and content. Providing your dog with sufficient physical exercise and mental stimulation is crucial for their overall well-being and can help alleviate aggression. Regular exercise helps burn off excess energy and reduces frustration, which can contribute to aggressive behavior. Engage your dog in activities they enjoy, such as walks, runs, playtime, or interactive toys. Additionally, mental stimulation, such as puzzle toys, obedience training, or scent work, helps keep their minds occupied and prevents boredom-related behaviors. A tired and mentally stimulated dog is less likely to exhibit aggressive behavior, as they are more focused, content, and less prone to restlessness or frustration. Understanding the triggers that lead to aggressive behavior in your dog is crucial for effective management. Observe and note any specific situations, people, animals, or objects that consistently elicit an aggressive response from your dog. Identifying these triggers allows you to modify the environment or manage the situations to minimize their impact. For example, if your dog becomes aggressive around other dogs during walks, you can change the walking route to avoid encounters or use a different walking time when fewer dogs are present. By proactively managing triggers, you can reduce the opportunities for aggressive behavior to occur and gradually work on desensitization and counter-conditioning techniques. Hey there, fellow dog lovers. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content like this. And please, share your own experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can all learn and grow together. Socialization plays a vital role in curbing aggression in dogs. Early and positive exposure to different people, animals, environments, and experiences is crucial to shaping a dog's behavior. It helps them build confidence, learn appropriate social skills, and reduce fear or anxiety around unfamiliar stimuli. Gradual introductions to new situations should be done in a controlled and positive manner, ensuring that the dog feels safe and supported. Socialization should be an ongoing process throughout the dog's life, reinforcing positive interactions and preventing the development of aggressive tendencies. By providing a solid foundation of socialization, you can reduce the likelihood of aggressive behavior arising from fear, insecurity, or lack of exposure to various stimuli. Using physical punishment or harsh disciplinary methods when dealing with aggression is counterproductive and can escalate the problem. Punishment can instill fear, anxiety, and even aggression in dogs. It damages the trust between you and your pet, making it more challenging to modify their behavior in the long run. Instead, focus on positive reinforcement techniques, rewarding good behavior, and redirecting negative behavior. This approach creates a positive association, strengthens the bond between you and your dog, and encourages them to choose non-aggressive responses willingly. Responsible management and supervision are essential when dealing with a dog prone to aggression. It's important to prevent situations where aggression is likely to occur until you can address and modify the behavior. This may involve using leashes, muzzles, or other safety equipment to ensure the safety of your dog, other animals, and people. When interacting with new people or animals, closely supervise the interactions and intervene if necessary to prevent any aggressive behavior. By actively managing and supervising your dog's environment, you can minimize the chances of aggressive incidents while working on behavior modification. Now, I want to share my personal experience with you. My dog used to display aggressive behavior towards other dogs during walks. It was a challenging and worrisome situation, but through consistent training, gradual exposure to other dogs, and implementing positive reinforcement techniques, we were able to transform his behavior. Today, he can happily walk alongside other dogs without any signs of aggression. It's truly rewarding to see how far we've come together. In some cases, underlying medical issues can contribute to or exacerbate aggression in dogs. If you notice a sudden change in your dog's behavior, it's essential to consult a veterinarian to rule out any potential medical causes. Pain, discomfort, hormonal imbalances, or neurological conditions can all influence a dog's behavior and may manifest as aggression. A thorough medical evaluation can help identify and address any underlying health issues that may be contributing to the aggression. By addressing the medical aspect, you can ensure that your dog receives the appropriate treatment and management plan to help alleviate or reduce the aggressive behavior. Until next time, keep spreading love, positivity, and happy tales. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.